So we have another important question from the chapter Polynomials of class 10th. The question is saying that let alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus px plus 16 whose graph is given. So what we have to do, without finding the value of p, find the value of alpha and beta. We have to find the roots of this equation, but we don't have the complete equation here. The linear term is missing here. And the question is saying that you don't have to find the value of that p. You don't have to complete the equation. Without finding the value of p, by observing this graph, find the value of alpha and beta, find the roots of the equation. So look at the figure. The parabola, the roots are, it is cutting the x-axis at 2 points. So let this be alpha. The x-coordinate of the point where the graph intersects the x-axis will give you the zeros. So let us take this point as alpha and this point is beta. These are the roots of the equation. See, alpha is at a distance of d from this center point. This point is minus 5, 0 given in the question. And it is at a distance of d in the positive direction of x-axis. So alpha can be written as minus 5 plus d. So in this question, from the figure, we get alpha is equal to minus 5 plus d, and beta, it is at a distance of d towards the negative x-axis. So it will be minus 5 minus d. Beta will be minus 5 minus d. Now, since we don't have to find the value of p from the equation, sum of zeros has nothing to do with this question, but we can have the product of roots from the equation. It is 16, c by a. If alpha beta will be c by a, in that equation, if we put the values from the equation, alpha into beta, that is d minus 5, या फिर minus 5 plus d multiplied by minus 5 minus d. That will be equal to c upon a. C, it is 16 upon a is 1. So, if we take this negative common outside, it will be minus taken outside, it will be 5 plus d, d minus 5 and d plus 5. We can write it like d minus 5 into d plus 5 is equal to 16. So, this d square minus 25, a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square. D square minus 25 is equal to this 16. I am shifting towards the right side. It is minus 16. So d square will be 25 minus 16. D square is equal to 25 minus 16. That is d square is equal to 9. And d will be plus minus 3. But I am taking only positive 3 since d is the distance. So we are taking only the positive value. So since d is 3, we can have our roots. Alpha will be minus 5 plus d, that is minus 5 plus 3, which is equal to minus 2, and beta will be minus 5 minus d, that is negative 5 minus 3, which will be negative of 8. So instead of calculating the value of p, without calculating the value of p, we have got the roots from the graph itself. The concept used here is alpha and beta are the x-coordinate of the point where the graph intersects the x-axis.